Hello, my name is Randy Dobson. I'm an instructor here in the Houston, Texas area, and this video will be covering the shell command for Autocad 3D. This is similar to other softwares, making an opening or making a hole. The shell actually goes in and, for lack of a better term, guts out the object. I've got a couple objects here I've drawn, and the shell, what you have to do is one of the particular things about it is you have to pick the ends that are the faces that you want to be affected by. So I'm going to come over here to shell, which it shares the spot here with separate. And the first thing it says is select so I'm just going to select a 3D model. It doesn't, a solid, I'm sorry. Now, without hitting enter or anything, it wants to know where am I going to remove the faces from. So I'm going to click here, and you see it turned gray. Now I'm going to use my view cube to go to the bottom to click here. So I've got these two. This will be your most difficult thing because sometimes it won't pick those, or it'll pick something on the side. You sometimes have to do that a couple times. AutoCAD's not too forgiving on that. So after I pick the two sides, I'm going to hit enter, and then it's going to say offset the shell. And as you can see, I've got this is 20 feet across, or 20 units across. So I'm just going to pick an offset of 2. And there I'm done. So what it's done is this is the 2 that the offset is from. Okay. If we go to the center of this, it would be from this edge, it would be 8 more, because that's, you got 16 and then 2 on this side and 2 on this side. So the number that you enter is what you want to remain. Okay, so let's go over here to this circle, or I'm sorry, this cylinder, and as you can see, it's got a 20 unit diameter, so it means from the center to the edge is 10. So I can't do a shell any larger than 10 because it's just mathematically impossible. I'm not going to sit here and try to explain that to you. So if I do a shell on this one of 9, it should leave just a little bitty opening in the middle because it's going to go over from the edge 9. So let's go ahead and try that. We're going to go shell. I'm going to pick my object, just anywhere. Now I'm going to pick this face here, and it went gray for me. And now I'm going to come over here to this side. There, it picked gray. Wonderful. So I'm just going to go back. Now I'm just going to hit enter. Now I'm going to say offset a distance of 9, and it should make a really, really small opening. And there it is. Okay, because from the edge of this circle to the edge of the cylinder, this is 9. So when you're shelling something, you understand that what you want to remain is the distance you're going to put in for. I'm going to undo these real quick by using the U command. I'm just going to keep hitting enter here, undoing it, and get back to where this is a solid. Again, I'm going to do it on this one again. I'm going to go to shell. I'm going to pick this object. Let's just pick this face here. I'm going to pick this face, and let's swing it around. Gotta swing it around again and pick this face. So you notice it took me a couple clicks to get that. Get it back to where I had it. Okay. Actually, let me go to the home view. Maybe that'll help me get an angle. Okay. Almost there. Okay, so here we have I picked these sides, so I'm going to enter. And as this one stated, it's 20 across. So if I did 9, it's going to make just a small little square in there. If I pick 5, 5 would actually be even. And I'll show you. I'm going to hit 5, enter. Now, when you look at this, get fit for me here, that from here to this wall, this is 5, and then from here to this center is 5, from the center to here is 5, and from here to here is 5. So understand that when you input the offset dimension, it's what you want to remain on your object to stay. Like I said, in this case I did 5. If I come back over here to this cylinder, and I pick this object and I pick this surface, and then I go to the bottom and pick this one. I'm just going to leave it here just to save some time. I'm going to hit enter, and if I do an offset of 1, it's going to make just a little bitty wall. See, and that looks more like a pipe, which you can use this in one of your assignments for my colleges here in the Houston area. So that 1 is what's left over right here. Don't think that it's going from the center out, it's going from the outside in. And that concludes my video on shell. Thank you.